this. Look at this dump and go chicken Alfredo that I just took out of the oven. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. If you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Well, not too long ago, I made for you what I called a dump and go meatball casserole. Oh, it came out so good, and you all seem to like it, and I'm going to be making it over and over. So today, I'm making for you a one-pan, that's right, a one-pan dump and go chicken Alfredo. It's just as easy as the last one, and trust me, it's so good. So, I've heard a lot of you that like me to chit chat in the beginning of my videos, and some of you don't. So today, we're just gonna get on with the recipe. So what do you say? Let's get started. And for those of you that are new, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. I'll put it up above. So I preheated my oven to 425 degrees. I'll put the recipe down below in the description box for you. Now I have a 9x13 baking pan. I'm going to spray it with a little non-stick spray. This is going to blow your mind when you see how easy this is and how delicious it comes out. What do you do next? You take one box. Oh, there goes my oven, it preheated. I have one box, this is a regular 1 pound box of pasta. I'm using Rotini pasta. You can use another if you like, say a penne, but I like the Rotini one in this recipe. So what are we gonna do? Dump! It's a dump and go recipe. Couldn't be any easier. You don't have to boil your pasta beforehand. So let me fix that all up. All right, now we need some Alfredo sauce. I happen to have Bertoldi. You can use whatever you like. Now you're going to need 32 ounces of Alfredo sauce. Now these are 16 ounces. I didn't have the big jar, so I'm going to use 2 of these. So I'm going to pour this all over the dry pasta. Woo! Dump and go. I'm dumping this Alfredo sauce right in there. Okay. Alrighty. Let me get my other jar. Put that in. And as you notice, my last few videos, I've been playing with my green screen in the back of me. I'm just having fun with it. My refrigerator in the back happens to be black. It's not real exciting, and this is the only place I can film in the kitchen. So I figured the green screen would be more interesting, right? Hope you like it. All right. Now I'm going to take 3 cups of chicken stock, and I'm going to pour it all over this. Dump and go. Woo! Everybody in my family likes this, so you know it's a keeper if they all like it. Now, with this recipe, I always buy a rotisserie chicken because you need 2 cups of chicken. So I use 2 cups of my rotisserie chicken. Dump that in. There you go. Alrighty. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder to that. Just a little bit. Just for some extra flavor. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Pretty easy so far, right? Add a little salt to that. Alright. Now, I'm going to stir it around in the pan. I mean, let me tell you, if you work, you come home from work, you're tired and you're looking for something quick to make, well, make this. I'm going to put the link to my dump and go meatball casserole, which you make similar to this down below in case you want to check out that video. So let me move this around and just mix it. All right, so once I get this all mixed, I'm going to cover this with foil. Here we go. All righty. Get all the chicken mixed through. That looks pretty good. All righty. Okay. So let me take my foil over here and cover the pan with the foil. Now, I'm going to put this in my 425 degree oven for 40 minutes. I'm going to peel the edges here. Okay. Now, after the 40 minutes, I'm going to take it out. I'll bring it over here to the island, and I'll show you what we do next. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. I took this baby out of the oven after 45 minutes. Now I'm going to uncover it. Woo! Look at that steam! Oh my goodness! Look at that! You're going to love this, so I'm going to give it a little stir. Alrighty. And then I'm going to sprinkle the top of it with 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese that I have here. So let me put this on top. And then once I get it covered, I'm going to return it to the oven for approximately 15 minutes until all the cheese is melted. And then I will be back and we will do a yummy taste testing. So don't go away. Well, I just took this out of the oven. It was in there for 45 minutes. It looks so good. The cheese is all melted on the top, got a little brown, and now I'm gonna do a taste testing. I'm hungry. So let me take some of this out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Nice and hot. Alrighty, let me move this over a little bit. It's very hot. I'm gonna do a taste testing now. Alright. Ooh, look at that. So delicious. This is really good. The pasta is cooked perfectly. You didn't even have to boil it first. It is so tasty. It's delicious. So please make this one pan dump and go chicken Alfredo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down and hit the red subscribe if you want to see more of these recipes. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love each and every one of you. I'm going to have dinner now. Toodles! My goodness. It was really delicious.
Can I eat now?